Welcome to day 3. Compost. More compost because chips like that. But the bag is not compostable, but it is recycled. The rest is just trash. This guy does about 5 or 6 loops before he can do his whole thing. If you're doing circles, you know what's happening. Buddy had a rough night. He had diarrhea about, 4 times. All over our bedroom carpet. Absolutely no idea what he got into. Sassy ate exactly the same food. Who knows? It's life with a dog. I think we're developing our winter footing. So far, haven't slipped yet. At least the weather today isn't too bad. Beautiful blue sky. Only about minus 2. So that means that anything on the road, it's all melting. So we got the snow, but we don't really have the cold. If this is as bad as it ever got, I could totally handle it. You don't need that leaf. It's just the law. It's just the law. That's all. You're a good boy. Snow. Green grass. That's how it goes. You're empty. Now this is what you need to look out for. These are these areas where you're going to get some shadows, and it's on a downward slope. This is a perfect place to wipe out. But not today. Not today. I put some extra little dregs of treats. We have these little cookie treats for them, and when there's just dust left, I'll put it in their bowl. But look what this guy did. Literally just picking it out, dumping it, as if someone else is just gonna come along and pick it up. I think I mentioned that I am not doing keto. I'm just doing 1 meal a day. I don't know yet if it's working. I've only just really started it. But I know I am definitely checking my watch as it's getting close to 6 o'clock, and that's the time I've set for myself to not eat until 6 p.m. and then just give myself a 2-hour window to eat. And that's it. Then I'm good. Till the next day. Dinner tonight, I am making spaghetti and meat sauce, or bolognese. Spaghetti bolognese. So the first thing I do is chop up some onions and get some garlic ready to be crushed. And this is really good garlic. It's very fresh. It was the purple garlic. I don't have any left to show you. That's local. And we bought this at the Italian store called Lena's. It's the last of it, but oh, it's real good. And of course, a bunch of ground beef. I got this pot. This is our big pot for the pasta. And I'll be putting the sauce together in here. One of my secret ingredients for good pasta sauce, tomato sauce. Just a little bit of celery. Always chop up very fine a little bit of celery. I just think it kicks it up a bit. That was 1 large onion and 2 stalks of celery and 2 large purple garlic cloves. This is a Pampered Chef garlic press. I don't know if you ever went to one of those Pampered Chef parties. I bought this at least 25 years ago. Still the best garlic press we have. Cook the onions and the celery together, and then right near the end I add the garlic. And it's all mixed in there. Just waiting for the onions to get, they're almost there. I'd say they're almost translucent. And once they're translucent, I will put in the beef. So that's translucent. Just get some light coming through. Now, when I make a tomato sauce or bolognese, I have a ratio that I always follow that seems to work for me anyways. That is, for every 1 can of tomatoes, I use 1 can of tomato paste. This right here, my friends, is what many consider to be the best can opener in the world. No joke. And to me, it is. I really think it is. It's quite an interesting item. So basically all you do is you make contact with the edge of the can with the end of this sort of round wheel thing, like that. And then as soon as you start turning, it tightens, and then the wheel holds it in place. And it makes a perfectly clean cut. Not on the top edge, but on the side. And when you get to the end, you feel it change and it loosens. The next thing you do is you back it off, have a turn, it releases. And if you looked at this can, you would almost think it hasn't been opened. But that's where this weird little part comes in. So it just grabs the edge just like that. So here is a life hack. I have already opened the top part of this can, and I am flipping it over before I'm taking the top off. Then I'm going to take the bottom off. So this time I'm going to remove the lid. So that one is off. Now quickly I'm just going to remove that one, and now I will just let gravity and equalized air pressure do the rest. Takes a little bit of effort.
That is how democracy is supposed to work.
Look at that. Pretty good. Of course I need spices. I need oregano. I need onion powder. I need garlic powder. I need rosemary. Oh, wait. That's the good stuff. Now to add in the seasoning, here's the rosemary, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and a little bit of salt. Just turn the heat down. Just let that simmer for about half an hour. So in about 20 minutes I'll start the pasta. And I have some of this fresh basil that goes in at the very end. Are you digging? Are you? Stop digging. It is time to put in the pasta. Whoa. Oh yeah, always put in a little chili. Now the basil. So I just tear it up with my fingers and then into the pot. So I'm going to cook some garlic bread. I'm cheating a little bit, I bought some. But I'm going to do it a little bit of a different way. That's butter. Now, taking some garlic, and I've just cut it into these big pieces. And I'm going to throw it in with the butter. So here is my cheat. This is just a Safeway brand called Texas Toast Garlic Toast. It's already buttered. But I'm going to basically, kind of like you do with grilled cheese. Now my pasta is all drained, and now I'm just going to add the sauce. we have it. And here it is. Yum. Now that Lovecraft Country is over, we were looking for something else to watch and just decided to go back to an old classic, and we bought season 12 of American Dad. Because I can't get it anywhere, and I don't think we've seen it. Yeah, in fact, we haven't. We haven't watched it since 2016. What you making?
Banana bread.
The heck is that? Someone get a food delivery, but... Yep, that's a whole order of food. This happens all the time. I don't know, like skip the dishes and different things. Randomly drop food. This happens all the time. Come on, guys. Do something. That's it. Another day has gone by. Pretty exciting. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.